Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you enable animation on your LingoDeer app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on me down here. When just click here on me, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down, you click here on settings, click on it here. Then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Come here to animation, you just click in this sign here. Then like you say, this color show for us, that's mean here animation enable with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish know you I get it, that's all. Just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.